Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Go-and-Do fishing lures. These fishing lures feature a precisely engineered shape, stereo 3D fisheye and lifelike scale patterns, making the fish look more vivid and realistic, like a living fish in the water. Due to its genuine plating, the fishing spoon shows a brilliant flash in the water, and more reflective surfaces attract fish and make them strike. A perfect fishing bait that easily cheats the target fishes. Work great for both saltwater and freshwater and function well in all water layers. All trout and bass fishing lures are widely used and carefully selected, meeting the needs of different varieties of fish you catch. Perfect for ocean boat fishing, ocean rock fishing, ocean beach fishing, lake, river, reservoir, pond and stream. All fishing accessories made of stainless steel and soft plastic, which is not easy to deform, and has anti-corrosion, durable and practical characters. All of these bass and trout fishing lures experience precision processing, longer service life than other fishing bait. Fishing lures set with a tackle box contains nearly all accessories including crankbaits 1 pieces, vib 1 pieces, topwater lures 1 pieces, plastic worms 33 pieces, jigs 5 pieces, fish-shaped soft bait 2 pieces, simulation of shrimp 2 pieces. And the other 32 accessories are also realistic and swim well. A wide range of fishing accessories from common fishing baits to accessories. This fishing lure set can be a complete assortment for any angler for any season in any water. For details, let's watch more. Our second best fishing lure is Keen Jorica fishing lures. The freely moving joints and realistic eyes make this bait look like a real fish, very delicate and vivid, and can easily deceive the target fish. It can reflect external light at all angles and has the effect of light attracting fish, which is suitable for different water conditions. Made of high-quality ABS material, with a built-in gravity ball, it can be moved to the tail when throwing to increase the throwing distance. The posture in the air is stable and smooth, not easy to turn around and is good for throwing. There are several small steel balls in the body, which make a sound when dragging, which strongly attracts the fish's attention. The freely moving joints and realistic eyes make this bait look like a real fish, very delicate and vivid, and can easily deceive the target fish. It can reflect external light at all angles and has the effect of light attracting fish, which is suitable for different water conditions. This kind of bait can be widely used for fishing perch, yellow perch, walleye, pike, trout, salmon, etc. It is suitable for salt water and fresh water, and can play a good role in all water layers. Suitable for professional fishermen and novice anglers. Third pick in our list is Trucent fishing lures. This bass fishing lure can be widely used to catch bass, yellow perch, walleye, pike, muskie, roach, trout, snook, salmon, etc. This swim bait is quite suitable for both saltwater and freshwater and functions well in all water layers. Made of high-quality ABS material and equipped with built-in rattle, this vibe lure can continuously emit the fish sound wave during the swimming to provoke the feeding urge of the fishes and induce them to attack. With 3D realistic-looking eyes and pearl powder coating, this swim bait appears very delicate and vivid that looks like a real fish. A perfect fishing bait that easily cheats the target fishes. Trucent fishing lure can sink slowly and move flexibly in water. In addition, lifelike swimming actions make it attracting more catches and provoking predator fish to strike. Suitable for seawater and freshwater. Wonderful bait for enthusiastic sports fishermen. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 on our side is TruSend pre-rigged fishing lures. The special tail creates a kicking action, while the lively moving legs, antenna perform lifelike actions on the retrieve and the drop, which adds more attraction. TruSend Shrimp features a segmented body that creates lifelike swimming movements in the water that will have any catch convinced. Featuring a precisely engineered shape, the soft body swim baits has a realistic swimming action at both ultra slow speeds and moderately fast speeds. Pre-rigged with an ultra sharp back hook, the jigging minnow also features ultra realistic patterns, holographic flash foil and 3D eyes. Ready to take on multiple hits, the extreme strength and supple flexibility of TPE material will last for many, many bites and put other baits to shame. Whether you are fishing reefs, estuaries, rivers, fresh or saltwater, this TruSend soft bait will become your essential paddle tail lure to target bass, trout, walleye, pike snook, salmon, redfish and many more. Number 5 in our top 5 best fishing lure list is Sinrier fishing lures. These fishing lures feature a precisely engineered shape, stereo 3D fisheye and lifelike scale patterns making the fish look more vivid and realistic, like a living fish in the water. The genuine plating fishing spoon shows a brilliant flash in the water, and more reflective surfaces attract fish and make them strike. Fishing lures set with a tackle box contains nearly all accessories including floating crankbaits 1 pieces, floating minnow 1 pieces, plastic worms 9 pieces, spinner baits 3 pieces, fish-shaped soft bait 1 pieces, and the other 21 accessories. All the baits are actually combated, also realistic and swim well. Fishing depth, 0 to 16.5 feet, suitable for lake, river, reservoir, pond, stream, ocean rock fishing, ocean beach fishing. All fishing accessories made of stainless steel and soft plastic, which is not easy to deform, and has anti-corrosion, durable and practical characters. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.